Hey there, fitness enthusiasts and sneaker lovers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your shopping experience smoother. Today, we're tackling how to use a Nike gift card in 2025. With Nike constantly updating their systems for better user experience, using your gift card has never been easier. Whether you're eyeing those fresh Air Jordans or a new workout set, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's jump right in. First things first, start by checking your gift card balance. Head over to the Nike website or app, and yes, in 2025, the app has some cool new features like instant balance checks via facial recognition or your digital wallet. Simply log into your Nike account, go to the gift card section, and enter your card details. This ensures you know exactly how much you have to spend and avoids any surprises at checkout. Next, if you're shopping online, add your desired items to your cart on Nike.com. During checkout, look for the payment options. Select Gift Card as your payment method, enter the card number and PIN, and watch the total deduct automatically. Pro tip: in 2025, Nike has integrated seamless options with Apple Pay and Google Wallet, so if your gift card is linked, it might auto-apply for even faster transactions. For in-store use, it's straightforward too. Just visit your local Nike store. There are more locations than ever with the 2025 expansion. Present your physical or digital gift card to the cashier at the register. They'll scan it, and you're good to go. Remember, if it's a digital card, have it ready on your phone's Nike app for quick access. One more thing. If you run into issues, like an expired card or errors, contact Nike customer support through their 24/7 chat feature, which is upgraded in 2025 for AI-assisted help. Always keep your card safe from fraud by not sharing the details online. There you have it, folks. Using your Nike gift card in 2025 is simple, secure, and fun. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more shopping hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay active and keep those sneaker games strong. See you next time.